can bonsoir.
Usiano fufra.
Can bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you because of my matching.
Mestre Madi beat at Wasibia. I'm a grammatical personality.
Oh, so sorry.
Yeah, so I'm not Atikra.
So sorry.
I'm not Atikra personality.
So sorry.
Yeah.
I don't know what you say.
Atikra means somebody who is articulative, overwhelming, international.
Okay.
But I am specifically for grammar.
For grammar?
Yeah.
Okay. So in this case,
Atikra means Atikra means idea traso.
Okay.
Longevity.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Okay. And when I was coming, me can be personal. Maybe where's be?
Yeah.
And it tickles my mind.
Where's no?
And my memory of orientation has been triumphed over the word.
Wow.
And I need to expatiate it for public dispensation and consumption.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey.
I met the word setback. I was reading the papers and
what's your word?
I came across the word setback.
Setback.
Yes, and it was just threatening me and hampering my behavior. So
setback.
Yeah. So yeah.
And hampering your behavior.
And I want to break the setback into some pieces, so that the unspectated people listening to us can expatiate and spectate it. Unspectated. They can spectate it.
Unspectated.
Yeah. Yeah. They can hear. You know, people are spectating on Facebook.
So
but the unspectated are the listeners. They can see.
Okay.
Okay. So I want to spectate it.
Okay.
Okay. So that those who are watching can also see.
So what you're doing now is I'm
spectating the program.
Okay.
So the unspectators can also consume it.
Okay.
Sure. So setback came to my memory, and I decided to syllabate it into two. And the first syllable for setback is set. It could be set servo, it could be set finance minister. And back, it means somebody's back, lechi. So when you hear the word setback, it means setechi.
Set
lechi. Simple word, but people misuse it. So preacher, there are so many setbacks in your life. It's a wrong preaching. Setechi. Setback. Yes.
Setback.
And I came to meet another word, bishop. I was listening to him this morning. He's a good preacher, good father. But bishop, and I said, okay. Bishop is another two-syllabic word. We can syllabate it into two. One syllable is boo, fraud, or froster. So be booby.
Boo?
Yes. And shop means shop.
Be
a tongue, your tongue, your tongue, mot. So be boo be on the shop, I say bishop. So don't call your papa also and son bishop again. It's not good. He's a great man. Don't call him bishop.
Bishop.
Yeah, be bishop. They call bishop. Bishop. That is bishop. It's a froster of shops. Bishop. Can I go on? Okay.
Bishop, you was
and the but the name bishop, the real meaning of bishop, and Yachima.
Mamma, I show for Sunday 8 years on Tiazene. I joined this room 7:55. Wabana him too much. It's by the close of non do and the best worker for the week. Just to team, no, emu yereba. Because mom when him no, are you an 8 points at Tiajumu? And a Tigo Sumba in between, but and then I do prove a point here by close of day.
Also, Madame
7:54.
Okay.
Far better than 8-1.
There's more room for improvements as
more
well.
Room for me.
Yeah.
And then Nelly, they do about 8-1.
Now, the Catholic standard, any day, kickstart. Now, Catholic standard, and what the other. End culture of insult. Archbishop Nambe to politicians. And a mind of furniture say and yes bampa. Yet you come yes and yet. politics into be hu akwala kete on to cement da no deep politics pa bi atem enna also pani kire say ahwe when Bible no mu a aye research ahodo enye emani pa wu ntem the boys say wu nan say what a shock ni nyina no it can be oriented, it can be associated, and it can be linked to insults. In TM politics and say was the politics is a decent work. Meme am so your politics unless so dear hu fin or say into the foot the bar odi apa into bishop at so much treasure kama no montadi with that bia mesebi san so musha e me fe papa na dini fe nko achi so kwasha umobra bia ndi yani fenti na mekose
ejuma be ti
ndia adini fe nchiri alo o she na odi uro odi fo be yire enye papa enti sofani aka asemwe a wode afutuo ma politicians jiri so nyina beti na we no wode to Ghana fo nyina ni Abraham Mpani dada John Dramani Mahama NMPP NDC mpanifo ekosra no omse we si ono mo yesa ade no omo university ye religious institutions ahodo ni nyina no mo mo din sa so ye consultations ahodo concerning 2020 abato ibeto ho ena nsemwe entu hu yena mosquito sedun katia timbi ena John Dramani Mahama so timbi ampanifo
say na me adma often constituency e chira MP what Tigo any Hassan any for join say yedin koma uni bia da bi yempese be say was special bia uni bia na usi akani bia ohia last minute conversation e bia tum enti Hassan say freno na fi ebrene kakaka no na we want to just open up so what a TV man tell you maybe I should be but fortunately they no man to dwa no
obi afre
area akwase afrifa enso ka wona AC akani bi amasaman ana owo
ya masama hayai
and find out so far akwasi potential MP apom ti say
onya me na bompa chon ho ye pa
ehye gu akwam why ready bibia o message na kokama party asi ahenfo no ne ebe kon kama
empacho me gidi se party asi ahenfo ne mbe ene mbedi ni ye nyame pa wo tena wa masama school park ayeto aba ni no mo asia ni no mo di nkomo maka mani so ade ehunu a kire wo mo ti o mo nyagide wo me mo nyame pa minim so kire ho o mo di nkumimbie abotire na ebe hye me na me kwa franka no wo amasaman mpesa no so to franka na my party the New Patriotic Party.
I see wo amasaman de me sure say wo call aprobo na no party for kasa no na wo ba ko mienu bia wo so say wo de betudwa de amom delegates na to aba e wa masama ho
nyame pa delegates to aba wo kira no yes 715
715
yes 715 constituency executives, electoral area coordinators, council of elders and patrons, and police station executives and the BCA to aba.
Okay. And dear message pa na ona ma wo ka che sia hene fo no.
I see a hene fo me no mo di komo bebere na internal na de tie no se uba amasamaya na say party for no omo gidi no yakọ efom kakra efi se omo fi se ba so no de se ye party no I wa amasama no timi ye ma wo no omo ntimi yentimi ye ma wo mo eni ntima aso wo mo se ya mebua no mo to abama me na mbe ye MP a efi se amasama si ni MP yo ma bebre ye na to ho mebua wo mo ne ya pe loans nketewa bi dia bo aye ma me no ma omo ehie sika kese so mo de be adwuma no mo de astatili bi anya capital kakra
okay
na fi so aye welfare fund e de ama all the police station executives no and at the various police stations na afi so matwa so na mazoni constituency no into 3 na ma personal offices ama all the zones no na ma constituency no adwuma ye no aye mre bi na ba e bi ni ha o chale bi ni ha say ya baby abeko so ha masama ya said ye nko ase bebere wom na bi o ha omo ye rules ye mama bebere enko ye papa na nyame boa ni zoni ni ya ebehwe na ya taka no mako dia boa ama nipe wa masama ni o mo asetene mo tumpon ama almost energy be a war ye party the new patriotic party mo me mpa ye ni so ade hunu no say ye to abama no chene wi a na ye de meeting ayi bia na ye party ni age power we maintain that seat no say one of the strong seats for the patriotic party and next delegates ni na say no mo akasa o mo tie masem am brasie mu nya misuru mu na mbe so mo mo se o mu nyina ko mo mo chena wotin waka me bia ni wa de boaye na o mu fa no kureye anokoro no mo
Jim FM
omo enipa obetimi aboaye constituency no ye party members into omo enim say me grassroots man my the party akebe back to 1991 and I'm a bofra and I'm a cool school. Around na 20 years kura ni ko join dan ko Abuja club. Ye join a party in cool school ni ko test president. But be say me we be no the party ya. Me did say omo to me no man meet me aboard because I understand the grassroots it almost ye pa.
All right.
Okay. So
715 no nyame pa unyemu saying.
What you saying?
715 nyame pa unyemu saying.
Oh, me say. Nyame pe. Let's say bibia NC minya over 600 votes.
Akwesi FIFA air contested on the ticket of the MPP omo prime minister Basu or Amasaman.
Akwesi FIFA Mensa.
Akwesi FIFA Mensa number saying.
Number 4, the last one, that's here.
Number 4, Akwesi Mensa Afrifa, and Akwesi Afrifa Mensa. Number 4, on the Dasio. Akwesi, we wish you well. I'm sure by 6 dinner, San Como in an Ediewi, Yadasi P. Yadi Kadia to him say, this is what we can do. But hold on, Menfanto, this is what we can do for Muamukosia kind a year at Chanamiadma, length and breadth of Accra. So get through and then we'll push you through. Yenya Dr. Kennedy Abroka, Aguna East. Honestly, MPP parliamentary candidate, or very hopeful, say Bibiabe Kwaman. Dr. Ken, good morning. I to say.
Yakupa Dumo Senior.
Okasani exciting. What have you heard? What have you seen? What have you read? What do you know? I see. Now, Aguna East, Bibia da Kwema pointed to Dr. Kennedy. Ana.
Oh, Senior. About only they do say, I won't say, more Mujenia, Obia of him. But, Senior Quisipat, you know, be on the smoothness level.
Okay.
But that's the stance in there. I think my chances, no. Good. Like I always maintain, no. Elections, no. And PMP, no. Now, a Jumano, as I said, what start ya check so aha. Yeah, I can say DB, no, and ya effects now there, but Michelle Juma Maya Aguna is Bram join me race, no. Send a mini grassroots, no. Ya modern boy, send a mini more relati. And why they bore more any next council no strengthening party no near there now. May GD say or China with Yankupon Everton in Super Egu, a Juma Yayano.
I see. Nipa said echo to Abano.
Yeah, me and sir.
Nipa and delegates say
sorry, Nipa to Abano, 579.
579.
Yes.
When you're Quenya no Munity made in Como.
Sir. In commodity, I mean, no moody debia, Yakoswa, no moody. Me no Kase cry, me bedu fearful and chair, me fee one of the villages.
So, specifically, what is the reason why Yemfao as a parliamentary candidate for Aguna?
Yo, Edika, I know. One of the main things are Mashe, Aguna is so a rural setting. Na adeba kwa and boy and baby ni say youth unemployment no un say generally no e will be but specifically with Aguna East no e was so enti no asobia me so me business development person no one of the things I'm sure me to me aye aboa ni say me build the capacity of the youth especially e wo Aguna East enti no it is not something say dia ye be already no must start a boy youth no be setting them up in areas of businesses modernize agriculture and farming. Any I believe, sir, I have quite a lot of things to offer youth, So, it is to offer me the opportunity to be able to scale up the influencer. Metumia Abua Minkrofo Ewo Aguna is. And one of the main things in here. We say from Minkita Hudie, any youth, any delegate, Ome who say, me Abua constituency in this direction. Now you create a Juma Ewo constituency in Senebeya in Nipa Hubetom.
I see. Oda number saying?
Meda number 1. Esroho.
Edimbe na was Sakrata so.
Dr. Kennedy Kwabna Abrokwa.
Dr. Kennedy Kwabna Abrokwa. Yes. Aguna East MPP parliamentary hopeful.
Pepe.
Doc, Osini Pado do 5 saying?
579.
Oh, for Musain.
What you saying?
Oh, for Musain. Yameya Duma.
Oh, if I say, at least, no, you say, you bury roughly 350 there, and a little above 350 there, I'm sure, sir, it may go for me.
We wish you well, Dr. Kennedy Abrokwa, Aguna East. All right. Yeah, to us, Hanum see Ebekwa Kujina Ododio ni ya boy Anan. Also, you're hopeful. He's just joined us. Yes. Good morning.
Good morning.
Ni mibusa question bi aka no nkranka sem na me de bayiri wa achi botafo na beja oni kwada nche ne de bayiri wa ayi wa wontin kran bra na pese ni kasa man delegacy ti nkranka sem me meka twi be kan nkran, don't worry. Okay. It's part of the system. Ni we're ready for Echina.
If you're ready to leading the pack is my favorite Ojuba. Me win come Saturday.
It's good. Then person test you say ubi a ukujina the heartbeat of Enkrai. Onkrai and one says but the okay the man say yes. Enkrai na always say good to say wow. Where the obey hey Enkrai na always say good zano. Obi a ujina baby a want to krom.
Half and half.
But me just said there was a year go from now. I say wow. Or no go. Ni ya boy Anan. I see. Ni passe na koto mo swaba.
May over 900 ya for Oshikia.
900 over.
Yes.
In any message when I catch any pa 900 ina.
Well, message yeah, very simple. Your message my catch delegate bia and your polling station executive bia in care many ba fon shiki efe ya keshi no ko me pay won ya wa ya fe.
I see.
Won ya wa ya fon shiki yes or no. O shiki yes or no e shiji ake. Ke boni ododo di odo e kashi. Ke boni da ne wo ya na jio. One small new wire na kai no well I have for yes e when she ke wo here wo do ake sa ke chake mo aba e sa ke sit wo he wo MPP no it is no e was here e yes she be o ke ban ha here it is simple. There must be a departure from the past. No ko e won wonye wo win seat now for close to about 20 years now wonye ko wo win seat there. Many le akamenya me win site fe amempele na meya e yare ho isake shi square no fe wo kwa wo here isake wo ka ke ho ni ya boy shi che odoma bo ya no ya kosite oke ba hawo no isaka me fi shi energy democracy e wo inu oshishi isake wo ke wo he atla wo he ni wajie money sa in your what delegates which MPP polling station executive say amenutumo ni nakainutumo amebatu Saturday ne ni kuni yelie eba fe wono
ni me sure say nya me ye wadum na wudi unkunumi a unim so dododio die enye body ajo but mate say o kan kraka say we have to change the status quo. The debi ada ye no ye mfiri ho ne anya ade foforo. Meaning that we do did say what trash here kra wadi nkunim na okuhia ni Lante van der Poel. Enti hono na say wo hwe meboa.
Hono na ehunya.
Tinipa 900 no wo yi mu say.
Oh. Ebeye a majority ebeye obia wawa. Because me bemunu you see form crown to me fa form. Every almost submission po to me submit. I feel almost see me to me no. No muna mechi. For disqualification. Anya ye me jinemu pa na dientia yesani na no. Yepe ho coming Saturday. Honor mofia mobile smoothness level.
Maybe in that way.
Because I am going to win massively. Massive. It will be massive.
Maybe in that way.
Yes, a clear indication now. This win, a clear indication now. Yeti ma and this for say a party no kabum ewom. Na ye the aye shusha no the seats. Eno and a delegate according to ma.
Na oda so say.
Me da see how me da number 4.
Number 4.
Ampa.
Pene ho edi be na da so.
Ni Michael ni Yaboy Anan.
Michael ni Yaboy Anan. I see. Ni Yaboy Anan, final message to your delegates, no, which I know majority of them should be or are guns. Enti kasa chomna fiye enunwi.
Mada wa polling station executives fash. If you me ake woba mofia mo ye woba ba ni woba ba me den votes. Woka me ba ye. Wokpa me hefai. Men PG many man yefu. Edi aka me sumo no ni ya no yo do. Ni amenan kwen ame fon shikie. One natri wakanye vi akeshi. Wonye wachaki ni keji wake wabatase ke womifu ni waya fon shikie. Isake waya fon. Ni waton clearly. Heni wadam. Ni nakambe eshe. No fiano na fio wabafe. Kuni yeliye ebani nawo. Shimon no ni kawo here 2020. Ewa ni fe mo mi fe wokwa 2020. Ni kuni yeli ni watawo 2020. Ni for the first time in 20 years. Won wana moko ni wabaka ke wono ne. Ni won kenoko wo ye hi. Shije ni afe ake menko menu je wo ame. Na ma me ba fo sako ni je wo no ni watawo.
Right.
No na me feel. Ewa mado nye fenshi inle ake nye leno ne sa ake wofe ke ho neshe. Inyo ake nye bafi ta lo manage no afi wofe.
Cha amani aba. Ende me cha amani aba. Cha. So I wish you well. Ni Yaboy Anan Odododio MPP parliamentary candidate hopeful. Nyame admit na by 6. No be ehunu subunnes level. Mo amoso mo tinka na mo delegates no. Waka no over 900 or pemu be 800. Ni wanya kakra nto. Enti 800. We wish you well. Bra okay. Dr. Kweku Anane. Is it Jande or Dinde? Doctor. Wadarama edi yemunti. Dr. Kweku Anane de metima kade so so ne den. Jinde yes. Kentampo North ana oje di se wona si hene o MPP no ebetina se doc na message bibia ko down bibia wo hwa wo final calculations ne graph wo di se bibia dam ne kwanso
yo o man me da wase se mama me sa kwanya me starting my campaign almost 1.5 years now. Many delegates no share my constituency no almost 3 times. My share all the delegates in 143 polling stations. Many women in our casa message no I sent it down. Into assurance of my dear mammy minister. China Yamea don't not the blue in Tampoa or Mambano or more de Mame because or more carry nipa no aye gina nyina no no mo hu say doctor na ide no kwa se bi obetima aye moa wa twin pumpio wa twin nkoso wa twin e kanko e dia back in tampo enti delegates they've assured me na se bi obi na kai ko na obebo mama na dia maybe I would have some doubt but me am confirm ho they know man nanti almost 1.5 years now enti me give say delegates no mail to me say me na make me seat no ama in tampo no constituency for the first time because they winning harder the man carry say most of the problem in there the entire winning seat the type of candidate I did ba and secondly na want to win team papa mu be wo party no me no ma be break account internet yet me win then to mu me say me a unify in the party me na meet me ka party no abomu a ye bi adwumaden a ye be win 2020 election and secondly this time I'm gonna for omo animo Ghanaians have become very sophisticated and you want to look for candidate be just like that and the omo assess this and the quality of the candidates are would ba no send be ya o two parliament ho on kotori mu and the omo assess this no man nyina no mo hu say dia DP esa say ye pese agi ye di obi to me agi seat ye be parliament ye pe candidate na ye di ko dwamu a amanfo beto manamba ye of parliament and the grounds on the media ye pa
I see number saying
but just
what does number saying
me that number 1 me that number 1 but me can be been jail ye ko pick nomination force no me di kan ye submission me na me di kan ye ko vetting me na me di kan
elections ni omo di numbers ni figures ni Dr. Kwaku Anane number 1 I see Doctor nipa say na to so aba
omo ye 790
ana nyame aduma wo famu sen
me calculation no manya no manya over 400
hey doc na unya kakra mo je 400 na say we comfortable lead me boa 400 na say bibia die because 700 the 400 no akọ me boa
me da number 1 and a delegates no so yeah 400 and I yet a contestant.
Okay, Doc, Mame Nase, what we are doing here and say we are wishing all of you well. Yeah, Jedi said. Good. No, lots of you are calling us to get you through, but unfortunately, yeah, Brennan Tino. Can promise. And then I say, Cameroon didn't come about much next week. No problem, but I still love your song.
When I wake up, you be first thing on my mind. I something need power of a kind. I know say them break your heart before, so you the fear to fall in love. But I go fight till the day I go call you mine. All day, men come me, baby. It's sweet, yeah.